everyone, welcome to Bits and Bytes, tiny tech tips to help you and your students. Today we're going to look at how you can use color and emojis to organize your Google files. So let's get started. My Google Drive is full of hundreds of folders, and it's hard to remember where things are and how I've organized them sometimes. So one of the things I can do to help with that is use color. So maybe I decide that everything that has to do with blogging I'm going to make a certain color. The way I can do this is right click on the file and then choose change color. And you have 24 choices here. I'm going to make every folder that has to do with blogging green. And since my bits and bytes folder has to do with my blog as well, I can change it so that oops, let's try that again, so that it's also green. And now I know that anything that's green has to do with blogging. That's one way that you can organize your folders in your Google Drive. Another way to organize or help you remember what's in your folders within your Google Drive is to use emojis. This is really simple. For instance, this is my folder on Apple. I can right-click on the folder and choose Rename. And here in front of the apple, I'm going to put an apple emoji. So I'll pull up the emojis and I'm going to look for food. And here's an apple one. Let's choose red. And now I have a red apple at the front. I click OK. And the other thing you'll notice is that emojis come at the beginning of the alphabet for some weird reason. So this folder got moved now to the very top of my files. So this also can help you move things that are important to the very beginning. Let's try that again. I'm going to go and look for my Academy folders. Since this has to do with robotics, I'm going to click here, rename. That was a right click, then rename. Then I put my cursor where I want the emoji to go. On an Apple computer, to bring up the emojis, I'm going to click Control, Command, and Space. Control, Command, and Space. If I were on a Microsoft computer, then it's a little bit different. There I would click the window key plus the period key. So let's see. Robots. There's the robot. In it goes. I'll add a space, press OK. And again, it's moved it to the front of the alphabet. And now I know when I look at Academy, I can remember, oh yeah, that has to do with robotics. So using color and emojis are two great ways to organize your files inside your Google Drive. Show these to your students as well. They'll have a ton of fun with it. You might want to limit the amount of time you give them to choose the emojis though, because they can get lost in that. Hope you enjoyed this.